Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Moto G52 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and after that here on the search pool enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap to install, and now just wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just click here to open the app, tap enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher, click OK, again OK, then just go back and tap to the switch input methods and switch the keyboard to the English United States keyboard. Now you can see that the process is finished, and here in the search we can check the new look of our device keyboard, and you can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.